How to reach board 300 in Monopoly Go. Struggling to climb boards in Monopoly Go? Reaching board 300 takes strategy, patience, and smart resource management, and here's how to do it. Manage your dice rolls. Dice are your lifeline, don't waste them. Spread rolls out, save multipliers for events, and avoid burning through your stash too quickly. Second is to use events and sticker packs. Events and sticker packs are key. They often include dice bonuses and cash. So complete stats, trade stickers and communities, and join tournaments for extra rewards. Third is to smart boost usage. Boosts can speed progress, but use them wisely. Stick to times 2 multipliers unless you have a large dice reserve, and activate boost during high reward events. Fourth is daily rewards and friends. So claim daily login rewards, grab free dice links, and add friends to exchange gifts. These small boosts add up over time. And lastly is the progression mindset. Boards get harder after 100, and reaching 300 requires patience. So focus on steady progress, play consistently, and don't rush it. It's a marathon and not a sprint. And that's how to reach board 300 in Monopoly Go.